look, I'll explain to you why your brain is your biggest enemy in 2 minutes. So, your brain is made to secure your survival, or rather it is made to secure the survival of the human race. And in order to do so, it is vital for your brain to recognize any possible dangers, threats, and this is evolutionary. That's why we have so much anxiety, fears, doubts, and negative thoughts about ourselves. Our brain is made to protect us and not to secure our well-being and mental health. So your brain can't really differentiate between a real threat and an emotional pain. And this is really the crux of the issue, because if something embarrassing happened to you 2 years ago and you still cringe about that moment and it replays in your head over and over again, your brain treats that the same way it treats a real immediate threat to your life. So in order to heal and heal your nervous system, you have to realize that you don't need to believe all your thoughts. You're not your thoughts, and they don't define you. You're only the one who observes them. You can choose which ones of your thoughts are true and which one you don't want to believe about yourself. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.